Here are the top 3 bike rides routes in India. Number 1. Manali to Leh. This route covers some of the most stunning landscapes and passes through several high-altitude mountain passes in the Ladakh region. Number 2. Srinagar to Leh. This route offers breathtaking views of the Himalayas and passes through several scenic mountain passes. Number 3. Shillong to Tawang. This route takes you through the scenic northeastern state of Meghalaya and the breathtaking Tawang Valley. Subscribe for more travel plans.